Hey everyone, it's me Sylvia and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my Christmas makeup look, which will be super easy. Anybody can do it. So yeah, without any further delay, let's get into the video. So the first and the foremost thing is your primer. The one I'm using is from NY Bay Brightening Primer, which is this one, and it gives instant glow. It just brightens up your face, and also it is quite hydrating. I really like it. So I'll take a little amount of it. Next up is color corrector, and the one I'm using is from Insight Makeup Essential, which is this one. You can see. The very first, you have to take your moisturizer. The one I'm using is from Wadi Herbal moisturizer, which is this one. I'll take a little bit of the product. Taking my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm in the shade 230. And next up, I will be taking my Good Vibes Green Tea Facial Essence. Taking a little bit of this product as well. Just a 1-2 drop, that's all. So I want to make my base look dewy, so that's why I use this hack, and this is the bestest hack if you don't have any dewy spray. For my concealer, I will be using my liquid concealer from Swiss Beauty, and I'm in the shade Sand Sable, which is this one. Setting up my base, I will be using my Sugar Translucent Powder, which is this one. So for my eyeshadow, I will be using my Mars I Belong in You Purse eyeshadow, which is this one. And I guess, yeah, I'm in the shade Soft Glam. So I will be using this for the first time. I hope it just, it is the go-to purse eyeshadow, fingers crossed. Taking a little bit of the product, so tapping off the excess. For my outer corner, I will be using this maroonish shade. So I really like the size of the mirror. It is really nice. Like you can see the size of the mirror. It's quite big. I really like it. For my lids, I will be using this shade right over here. It's a little bit of golden shade. Let's see how is the glitter. I hope it's not chunky at all. To be honest, I really love it. Really am. Like, it's really affordable. I guess I got it only for rupees 200 or something. So for my lower lash line, I will be using my transition shade, which is this one, the brown shade, and also I will be using this shade for to put it over here. So for my liner, I will be using the Lakme Insta liner, which is this one. Like, we are all familiar with this one. I'll just go with a simple line. Yeah, I am done with my liner. Next up, I will do my mascara. For my eyelashes, I will be using the Insight, I don't know what's the name over here, it just got removed, so this one it is. And I will give the link in the description down below if you want to buy a mascara. I will curl up my lashes quickly. So our eye makeup is done. Let's move on to our base. For the contour, I will be using the Sugar Contour de Force Face palette, which is this one, and I'm in the shade Vivid Victory 02. For my blush, I will be using the Blue Heaven Signature palette in this shade. And for the highlighter, again I will be using the Sugar palette, the highlighter shade, this one. So I'll be using this shade. Also, I will apply my highlighter onto my inner corners. And now for the lips, I will be using the MAC lipstick, and I'm in the shade Ruby Woo. So I will apply with a brush. So to hold the makeup, I will be using Inside Makeup Essential Makeup Fixer, which is this one, and this is long lasting and it is very hydrating. I'll use my highlighter and then apply it on my high points again. I hope you really enjoyed watching this segment. If you really love it, please hit the like button. Also, comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed me yet, please subscribe to my channel. Also, hit the notification button to never miss any episode. Until next time, Sylvia signing off. Take care, stay safe, have a great day, and bye.